Good morning, sixth grade students. So glad that you are back in school, finally, right where you belong, sitting in those chairs and learning. That's what it's all about. Well, I'm not in school today. I'm in Cyprus. Don't be too jealous. I went to Cyprus to do some work, so I'm probably right now, this very instant, sitting in a class and learning from a teacher just like you. So that makes two of us. All right. Well, I'm excited because we're starting our new region, Central America. Boom. There's 7 countries in Central America. Let's see if I can get them by memory. Belize. I'm kind of blank. Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Panama, Nicaragua. That's 6, by the way. Honduras. There's 7. 7 countries in Central America, and we're going to learn all about them. Today, your bell work is just to get started with a little bit of familiarize yourself with Central America and some key features. So in your book, page 188 to 191, I want you to read those pages. And once you're done reading it, so read it first, and then once you're done reading it, I want you to go back and find the 3 key terms that are in yellow. The 3 key terms are isthmus. I hope I'm saying that right. Isthmus. It's like a narrow. Imagine a big piece of land, and then there's this like wire here. See that wire? It's like big piece of land, and the isthmus is a narrow piece of land that connects the 2 big pieces of land. It's called an isthmus. I think I'm saying it right. Then there's archipelago. We've heard that word before. That's a group of islands together. And then the last one, I'm actually going to look in the book because I don't remember this word for word. I want to get it right. Hold on a second. A cloud forest is a moist, highly elevated forest where like a lot of clouds settle into. So a high elevation, and there's a forest, and so a lot of times you'll see pictures of clouds. Maybe I'll throw up a picture right now. Cloud forest. I hope that picture showed up. All right. Well, it's going to be a lot of fun today. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead. I sent the lesson plans to the sub, but also I'm going to post those lesson plans on your Google Classroom so everybody knows what we're doing today. We're talking about Central America. Well, I just wanted to come into this view really quick, this mini version view here, so that you guys could see kind of what we're looking at today in lesson plans. As you can see here, I put in the standard. This is the standard that what we're supposed to be learning for this lesson is explain the causes of significant historical and current political events and issues. So that's the standard. And today's objective, this is what you will be able to do by the end of this lesson. That's why I put I can before that. And if I was there, I'd make you say it. But today, I'll just read it to you. It's I can explain how past events shape the borders, economic and social standing of Central American countries. We're going to get started today with a little bit of bell work that's going to help you get familiar with the layout and geographic features of Central America. So I want you guys to read page 188 to 191 and write down the 3 definitions. I talked about that in another video, kind of repeating myself, but in case if you didn't hear me the first time, you've really heard me now. I've said it twice, right? All right. And next we got this video. I want you to watch the video. There's a link there. I'll make sure to post it so you get the links. But while watching the video, I might want to make sure that you're writing down the pros and cons of the Spanish colonizing the different countries in Central America. The pros and cons of colonization. And this goes back to our I can statement. I can explain how past events, the colonizing of Central America by Spanish shaped the borders, economic, and social standing of Central American countries. So this video is going to help us get a long way to coming to understanding our objective for today. And then we have how is the viewpoint of the Panamanian native tribe different from the loggers in the Western government? So what I want you guys to do here is watch the video again. I've already explained what this video is about, but after you're done watching the video, it's in Google Classroom, the question for you right there. After you're done, just kind of explain the different viewpoints. And this is a current event. This is currently happening. An indigenous tribe is currently dealing with this. So it's a real deal. So make sure you're watching it, learning about these events, and getting that work in. Thanks, guys. That's it. That's all that I have for now. So do well. Excited to get back to you guys. I'll be back on Thursday. And until then, make sure that you're doing well, being respectful, and getting work done, so that we can keep going, keep the momentum going into the next week. All right. Miss you guys.